Upgrading your personal PayPal account to a business account allows you to unlock professional tools like custom invoicing and business name payment processing right away. Open up your web browser on your desktop and log in to your current PayPal account. Once you are on your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open up your settings menu. This brings you straight to your account profile page. From here, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the section labeled Account Options. Inside this section, look for the specific link that says Upgrade to a Business Account and click on it. Now, this choice goes both ways. If you decide to move forward using your current personal email address, PayPal will automatically convert your personal account into a business profile. The important thing is that your personal account is officially closed in this conversion process, though your existing balance and past activity will safely transfer over. If you still want a separate personal account for private shopping, you should actually open a completely new account using a different, unique email address instead of doing this upgrade. Assuming you want to proceed with upgrading your current profile, select that option and click Next. The setup wizard will now prompt you to enter your specific business details. You need to type in your official business name or use your legal name if you operate as a sole proprietor. Because I do not want to upgrade this account to Business, I will just tell you what to expect. Next, click the drop-down menu to choose your business type, such as a corporation or individual partnership. You will also need to fill in your business address, contact information, estimated sales, and your banking preferences. After entering all your details, scroll down to the bottom of the registration page. Make sure you read through the text, then check the boxes to accept the user agreement and privacy statement. Click the button that says Agree and Upgrade Account. Your account is now fully converted, and you will see your new professional dashboard. Keep in mind that most business profiles cannot be downgraded back to a regular personal account later. If you ever need a personal one again down the road, you will have to create a fresh account from scratch with a brand new email address. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.